In front of me is Samsung Galaxy XCover7 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in split screen view. Begin by selecting an app you wish to use in this view on the top half of your screen. Then open it in the background. When you're ready, click on the icon of an app available at the top. Select Open in split screen view and tap on the second app. As you can see now, I can use both at the same time. To go back from this mode, drag one of your apps all the way to the top or all the way down and click on Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!